Hello everyone, and welcome back to this channel once again. And today I'm answering the question you asked, which is it possible to apply for both an open work permit and spousal sponsorship at the same time? And the answer is yes, it is possible to apply for both of them at the same time, but the specific conditions depend on your situation and the country you're applying to. Now today I'm concentrating on the European Union, which is this, I can't really pronounce this word. Let's just say Schengen area. Hope I got it. Pardon my French. Anyway, if you're living in a Schengen area country and you're a citizen or a permanent resident, the process for spousal sponsorship usually involves applying for a residence permit for family members. Once it is approved, your spouse can now live and, in most cases, work in the country without needing a separate work permit. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.